So guys, as you can see, here's the highest score ever you might get on Block Blast game. As you can see it here, it's very easy, guys. All you have to do is follow all the steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and you will get this mod easy, guys, for Android and iOS device. So guys, first of all you have to do is open any browser, for example Safari, and then I'm going to do my passcode. As you can see it here you might write the website. Here is the website. As you can see, I'm gonna write it right now. Sketch.com/news, like this, guys. So then go. After clicking go, you'll find the website like this. All you have to do is scroll down to choose the app, or maybe easily you can just search for it here. I can write block like this, block blast, or the whole name. It's easily, guys, to do. After finding the app like this, all you have to do is click on add now. Now the glitch will be added automatically to your game in your device. As you can see, I'm gonna wait here a little bit until the loading will be completed, and then I'm gonna receive the glitch, guys. As you can see, after the completing, as you can see, glitch has been added. So now I will be required to complete some verifications. It's very easy, guys, to do. All you have to do here, as you can see, this is all the verifications through that I'm going to do. It's very easy, guys, to do. Actually, all you have to do is choose two tasks from here. As you can see, you have to choose two tasks, and then you will be required to complete them. After completing them, you will get automatically the glitch added on your app, because this is only a verification that should be done and easily. Sometimes it doesn't pop up, so sometimes it pops up, sometimes it don't. So all you have to do is complete it if you saw it. So that's only a verification, as I said. Here's a video also showing how you might complete it if you don't even know how to complete it. It's maybe a little bit noisy, so I'm going to mute it. But you can just watch it normally. So I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Click on interested, and then continue, and then open the App Store, guys. After opening the App Store, get it now, install it, play it for 30 seconds. All the instruction is only shown in the video. So I'm going to do passcode again. Here is it. Here, as you can see, here, this is a German, so here I will be required to play like to the level 9, and then I will be I should be required to complete it in 30 days. So that's how is it, this app. So that's easy, guys. And then if you just complete it, you might complete another one. For example, this over here, you can just click on interested and then continue. Here all you have to do is complete a verification, or maybe a personal detail. So it's very easy, guys. So sorry, this didn't work, so I'm going to do it again to show you how it goes. So it's very easy, guys, to do. So all you have to do, as I said, choose one or two, and then you will be required to complete the next ones. So as you can see here, maybe, as I said, this offer. So click on interested, continue. After click on continue, now you should just wait a little bit here. So sometimes it takes time, guys. So as I said, just click on continue. It's also sometimes it doesn't work, some tasks, so all you have to do is click on back and choose another one if it doesn't work. So for example, this one, also click on interested, continue, and wait also to be loaded and complete easily the steps that's going to be shown. As you can see here, for example, this is a task that you have to write your name and your things here, guys. You have to write your name, choose colors for this giveaway. This is also a giveaway if someone wants to join it. So it's easy, guys. As I said, after complete all of these steps, now you will be required to wait only 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and then open your app and you will see the glitch has been added to your app. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe our channel for more. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section, as I said. If you have any problem, I'm proud to be helpful, guys, for you guys all. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.